How would you say head in Igbo? Isi. How would you say eyes? Anya. How would you say mouth? Ọnụ. How would you say ears? Ntị. How would you say nose? Imi. How would you say tongue? Ire. How would you say teeth? Eze. How would you say jaw? Agba. How would you say neck? Olu. How would you say shoulder? Ubu. Were you able to get anyone correctly? Please let us know in the comments. Ndewo, ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.